Hi, I'm Cy. Today I'm reviewing this Slime brass dial tire gauge. It reads both PSI and BAR. I got it because it looks like it's built to last and it has really good reviews and it looks really simple to use. Not that the pen ones aren't simple to use, but this one looks even better. You can see here, I'm supposed to check all of my tire pressures. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. Something that I also think is very cool about this, that in addition to testing the tire pressure, this little button right here is a release valve. So if you have too much pressure, then you can release some. Seems pretty simple. Let's go ahead and see if this thing works as good as it looks like it will. And can I let air out? Yes, that does let air out, so this is pretty cool. I need to add a little tire pressure, but I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, I just want to confirm this is the easiest to use tire pressure gauge that I've ever personally owned. And just so you know, it is plastic on the back. Brass is the main body part. I did add air to all 4 tires and I was able to do it very quickly because I could check the pressure so quickly. So I just want to show you really quick how easy it is to use. And there's the pressure right there. I can release it, and then you can also, like we showed, let pressure out when you have it on your tire by pushing in this button here. So you've seen me test this Slime brass style tire gauge. I'm very impressed with it. It is the most simple to use tire gauge that I've ever personally used. It made testing all 4 tires on my vehicle super fast and simple. I like the little bleeder button, which is also the reset button, and I feel very good about recommending this tire gauge to you. So I hope you liked this review. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Try to break me down, but all she did was spark a legend in the making. Always had the heart.